We've seen a large increase in the innovation within the American manufacturing industry. And in an effort to outpace this, Arch has assembled one of the largest research and design engineering teams in the industry.
Arch Cutting Tools has invested significantly in engineering, in both talent and also new equipment. We've also created a digital environment for all of our cutting tools. Our engineering team is creative and passionate about cutting tools. We have manufactured some of the most creative solutions that our industry has seen.
Arch Cutting Tools has very cutting-edge technology when it comes to inspection and quality.
All of our quality procedures in manufacturing were driven by the major aerospace manufacturers and the demands that they have.
It's extremely important to the end user to have the same tool every time. They have very tight tolerances that have to be maintained on critical parts. To be the best in this industry, you have to be consistent in the quality of the products that you deliver.